Okay, yes, I'm mowing the driveway. Isn't that what everyone does with their lawnmower when they never have grass again? Well, this is how I make wood chips really small to put into my compost piles. So I just have the load of wood chips dumped to the driveway and I mow them and then I put them in smaller amounts so that I can add them to my wood chip pile. And that way they go easily into the compost and break down quicker for my little protozoas and my microbes and my fungi. So mow your driveway with your old lawnmower.